Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today, the 23rd March 2020, myself Rafaqat Ali. We are going to discuss fractions and the decimal, the next topic. This topic is on the page number 5. You can see number facts and the sequence page number 5. Fractions and the decimal. As you know, fractions, you can write the value in the form of numerator and in the form of denominator. It is called fraction. And the value which is written in the form of tenths and hundreds, this is called decimal. Decimal is like you can see the place value chart. You can remember the place value chart. In the place value chart, some values before the decimal and some values after the decimal. For example, if I want to discuss this value as a place value, this 3 is at the 10th place and 5 is at the 100th place, then 1000th place, then 10,000th place, then 100,000 place. Before the decimal, this 0 is at the place of ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000 and so on. Keep in your mind this place value for expressing the values in the decimal form. Here in this exercise we will see how to convert the values from decimal to fractions and fractions to decimals. Change 7/8 to the decimal. Very simple. You can divide it. You can divide this by 7/8. 7 divided by 8 because 7 is lesser than 8. So write 0 and now you have 70. Now you have the digit 70. The table of 8 up to 70. 8 multiply 8, 64. 64 minus 70 minus 64, it will be 6. Now 6 and bring this 0 down, it will be 60. Like that, you know this division process. So it's easy, and also you have the calculators. So you will use the calculator and you can find out the answer. But it is much better to practice how to convert the value in the division by fractions to the decimal. You should at least practice for one time, and after solving the question you can check your question answer by the calculator. Now B, 0.31 to the fraction. See here, it is very simple. You can write under the place of decimal 1. And how many digits after? Write the equal number of zeros. After the decimal, 2 digits. Under the decimal, write 1 and then write 2, 0 under the 2 digits. After you can solve, you can simplify this, write in the simplest form. 7/20 could be the answer. 1/3 to the decimal. 1/3 divide 3 into 1. 1 divide by 3. So the similar process, 1 divided by 3, so answer will be 0.333. When the value is coming like 33, not ending at any stage, so it is called recurring. Recurring mean 0.3 you can write after the decimal 2 values or 1 value enough. It is better to write 2 values. So exercise 4, in question number 1 to 24, change the fraction to the decimal. It is very simple. You can change the fraction to the decimal. There is another way. Convert the denominator equal to 10 or 100 or 1000. So it is easy to convert into the decimal. Like that, if we multiply this by 25, so it will become 25/100. So 0.24 will be the answer. 0.24 will be the answer of question number 1. If we multiply in question number 2, multiply by 2, it will become 4/10. 0.4 is the answer. Multiply this by 2, it will be 8/10. 0.8 is the answer. Multiply this by 25. Why we are multiplying this by 25? Because we cannot convert this 4 to 10. We can convert this 4 to 100. So 25, 75 it will be. So 0.75 is the answer. Multiply this by 5, 0.5 will be the answer. Like this you can solve all these questions. Question number 25 to 40, change the decimals to the fraction and simplify. Very simple. Under the decimal write 1 and after the decimal the values 0.2, so it will be 2 over 10, it will be 7 over 10, it will be 25 over 100, it will be 45 over 100 because here 20, it will be 36 over 100, like this. So it will be now this 2.35, this point, this will be in the mixed number 2 fraction 35 over 100 will be the answer. Evaluate giving the answer to decimal places. First add like the previous exercise and after that convert to the decimal. You know both the rules, how to add, how to multiply, how to divide, and at the end write in the decimal form. Answer should be in the decimal form. Next, arrange the numbers in order of the size, smallest. First convert all the 3 digits in the decimal or in the fraction. It is easy to convert to the decimal. First convert all the digits in the decimal, then you can see easily which one is smaller, which one is bigger. Order of the size, smallest first. This is smallest first, mean it is called descending, it is called ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to greater and descending order mean greater to smaller. So take care, see you next inshallah with the next exercise, and hopefully you are fine. Stay home, stay safe, you will be good inshallah. Inshallah. Take care. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.